Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys 4 strikes that you're going to add to your martial arts toolbox. Okay, so number 1 on strikes is gonna be palm strike. So you're just gonna curl your fingers just like this and your thumb out just like that. And then you're just gonna go just like you're punching and holding up your fist to your side to guard your face, and you're gonna strike just like this. So that's a palm strike to the chin or to the face right here, the nose, like this. Okay, so number 2 is gonna be web hand. So web hand is pretty easy. Just like you're doing the Darth Vader choke, you just hold your thumb out just like this, curl up your fingers just like that, and then you're just gonna do a web hand. You do a web hand to the throat. Okay, so number 3 is gonna be back fist. So back fist, you're gonna be hitting the target at that back of the fist. It's just what's in the name. Basically, to get momentum, you wanna be able to move over just like this, and then strike. So move here, bam. So you're pivoting on the foot. So here, then you're hitting the pad just like this. Also, I know sometimes I always leave this arm down here, and we never talk about this part, is that we gotta be covering our face here. So here, bam, just like this. Because if my arm's down here and I strike, then someone here could come at me and strike me, kick me, you know, whatever. So I want to be able to guard here and then strike right here. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so the last one of this part of the video is back fist. So back fist is you're going to be hitting, of course, with the 2 knuckles, the same knuckles that you use when you're punching. Okay, so the way to do this, most people, they fold just like here, and they fold at the ear, which is correct, yet it's not gonna have enough momentum when you're just going just like this. So you wanna be able to rotate the wrist and go just like this, and then at the end, rotate, okay? So rotate here at the end. So that's the back fist, okay? Just like that. Also holding your fist up just like this. Okay, so we fold just like this, and then back fist. Okay, here, back fist. In karate, we put the fist out on our side, yet what I would like to teach is holding this arm at the face so that you're protecting your face, because we're not really doing karate here. We're doing more self-defense, Krav Maga style. So we're here, here, just like this, okay? So make sure you correct yourself on that, so you're always protecting your face. That's very important. Those are 4 strikes that you can add to your martial arts toolbox, and I'll be coming out with some more parts of this video to teach you more strikes. So I'll see you guys in the next video.